So over here, you see that I have some styles applied. So this one is the title. So I can simply go over here, go into title, update title to match right here. Gonna go to title 2 and then update heading 1 to match just like this. And you can see that it reflects it right here. Let me just go over here and then update this, Control Z to go back right here. Let me just go over here and then let's say I'm going to select this one. I'm going to go to normal text and update normal text to match. And you can see that everything changes up just like that. So let's say I want the same styles to be there when I create a new Google Docs document right there. So in order to make sure that you have the same style available for a new document, you go on over here and then go to option and then click on save as my default style, just like this. So the default style has been saved. So if I were to go on and create a new document, so I'm just going to go to docs.google.com right here and then choose a blank document just like this. And what happens is that I simply have the same normal text and the same style over here as well, as you can see. So I can go around here and then choose the same heading. So let's say you want to revert back onto the normal styles that you have, that is the default styles. You can simply go over here and then go to option and then click on reset styles. So once you do that, everything becomes normal again and you can use the same Google Docs default styles. So that is how you can save default styles and then use it in another documents that you create, or reset the styles that you have made so that you can use the default one that comes with Google Docs. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.